Hello everyone, I'm Victor from MonChart. Today I will show you how to connect Bing Webmaster Tools and turn your search data into a simple dashboard. You can track clicks, impressions, CTR, keywords, positions and top pages in one place. If you work with SEO or website analytics, subscribe for more short tutorials like this. First step, please sign in to your MonChart account using your credentials or sign up as a new user. Then go to Profile page. Please find Bing Webmaster Tools and click Connect. Then you can go to your boards page, choose your right boards, click Add Tile and choose Bing Webmasters and choose the right websites and click Add all of them. You can see click, impression, CTR, top keywords, average position by keywords and top pages. You can choose time range, for example, last 12 weeks. You can remove charts you don't need and keep the dashboard focused on the metrics that matters to you. Please notice you can keep the dashboard private or publish for your team, or embed into any website documentation on internal portal. MonCharts can refresh your Bing data automatically, for example, every 12 hours. Bing Webmaster Tools Analytics is available with MonChart Premium. You can try it with 7-day free trial. You can also combine Bing with Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Google Ads, YouTube, GitHub, and other integrations. Connect your Bing Webmaster Tool property today, build your first dashboard and start monitoring your data on monchart.com. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.